Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. In the Studio Gallery, that's a 14 by 14 inch canvas. That can go away for a minute. I am going to use a ring pour cup with some Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold with some orange in it. Some Folk Art purple flash that's color shifting. Some Anita's white metallic with a little bit of neon pink matte from Folk Art. A little bit of Prussian blue, a little bit of Amsterdam white, a little bit of Hobby Lobby Master's Touch orange with iridescent pearl fine in it, a little pearl from Anita, metallic white from Anita's, some neon purple from Folk Art, some Chrysocolla from Color Art, some Venetian blue with a lot of Anita's white metallic in it, some more Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold, and some more of the Amsterdam white, which is sinking. Boom, 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 sorry for the noise. And the Hot Orchid. And what else am I going to do? I'm going to put gold right through the center. I want some black in there. I really, really do. Maybe I'll get my black afterwards and I'll just add it on. Okay, so I got a schmutzy turntable. And it's time to make some more black, which I have ordered actually. I put a couple new things on my Amazon link. That needs to be not in my way. That needs to be not in my way also. I just want enough coverage so that paint starts to drip over the edges. I like doing things a new way, and this is definitely a different way for me. I don't really want any marks left in there. Sorry if I'm making your head spin. This is not one of those times where I'm doing a painting before a painting, because that just looks like a white hole. So, did I put any orange in there? I don't think I did, which means the orange is going in last and right down the center. I'm going to do a straight pour. And I'm going to add my black after I tip for a second. I talked to another group member about doing this last night. I got some beautiful colors. I'm not used to doing straight pours, so this could be kind of interesting. I love that Chrysocolla though. It's looking very green right now. I thought it was turquoise, but I guess it doesn't matter. I can't believe how much that pink has taken over. Okay, so that's far enough for what I had in mind. And let me grab I already went past my comfort zone. I'm going to throw a little bit of that Hot Orchid in there just because I want that pink to be somewhat less obnoxious. And where's an edge catcher? That will do. It's not pretty, so maybe we'll make it pretty. I want to put orange and gold up there so bad I can't even tell you. I have some really beautiful cells over there, but I wish I had the majority of this instead of what I've got. But I suppose if I tip it far enough, I might have a shot at that. Let's just do this. Okay, so I'm not getting the orange I wanted, and I need a color that will help move other colors. I'm letting it all roll down. And I don't think I'm going to let it come back again. I think what I'm going to do is switch. And yes, I just did that. I got some amazing things happening here. Wow. I might just be very tempted just to leave that black background. I can also scrape off that edge catcher. This one is a primary candidate for resin. If I ever had any primary candidates for resin, this would be the one. The orange mixed with the other colors is really dangerous. It wants to make brown, but fortunately there's enough metallic well, hopefully anyway. Okay, where's it going? I got to think about this because I like what I've got and I don't want to mess it up too badly. Too bad. I don't want to mess it up at all. Yeah, it's odd shapes and I don't care. I've got plenty of paint that I can use to fix. Whoa, that corner came right off. It's okay, I've got plenty of paint on my turntable. I think it's time for me to contemplate torching. Telling you guys that this is a really quick video and it's all about the colors. I'm going to have to get back in here tomorrow early and take care of the extras in my cup. And I think I want a little bit more, yeah, of the black right along that edge so that it covers, which might be a challenge. Okay, so I don't want to drag anything through there, do I? Maybe I do. Maybe in just a couple places. Maybe not much more than that though. Okay, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, sometimes fast is good. That was the Prism Pour Hot Orchid again. That is the Venetian Blue, nudged into place with a palette knife. I really do need to torch. I know it's an odd shape, I know it is, but I like it. I'm just going to drag it until it sort of integrates itself. I'm going to use a straw. I know you thought I was done. Me too. I kind of like that color so much I'm thinking about adding some more too. I just want to cover those thin spots and get the benefit of the color. And that was the Deco Art Americana with some 24 karat gold. Excuse me, Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold with the orange in it. It's a strange mix. What can I say? I'm still playing. I didn't expect to like that as much as I do, and that's a good thing. This is strange, and strange is good, and I want some more of that Chrysocolla. Where did it go? I wonder. I'm looking at it. There it is. Okay, I'm almost ready. I think, anyway. I've got some minutes left, which is okay with me too. I just want the eye to move around inside. Jumping from color to color makes that happen pretty nicely. I am almost done. I know I keep saying it. I want that paint right there. Okay, I have amazing cells. I have a skewer somewhere that I can use to paint with. Where was I going to do that? Just break up that one long. They look like streamers now. They look like jellyfish streamers, actually. Yep, there's some good texture in here. Not sure about that now. If you use straws, you are in danger of getting spit in your art. So keep a paper towel handy, and if you just dip a corner in, you'll usually be able to rescue it. Well, the Amsterdam black does make nice little cells. A few spirals never hurt anything. You've heard me say that before. Alright, finally. Am I going to mean it this time? I'm going to torch. Ah! I want to do something with that right there. Yep, I'm happier now. Turquoise and pink will often make blue. I don't know why. I don't really care why either. I think I said I torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint so they don't harden and or pop and leave craters. What a great bunch of colors. Anything that I've got to fix on my edges, I'll do after you guys are gone. I have over 91,500 subscribers. If you're new, please be welcomed. If you're not new, thank you for being here. If you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you. Please join us. There's over 18,000, excuse me, 18, there's over 1,800 videos. They're organized by the 100 and by topic and genre. If you ever have a question, please feel free to ask me. If you're looking for anything with my artwork printed on it, there's a lot of it on Fine Art America and Pixels.com. The links are underneath the link tree, which is underneath the video, and you can also find my Amazon link there. And if you shop my Amazon link, buy anything on Amazon at all, you help me out, and I really appreciate it, and it costs you nothing extra. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I would really, really appreciate that. If you share my videos, you might help my channel survive, and I would appreciate that too. If you are interested in helping produce videos by making a donation through PayPal or Patreon, you will be automatically entered in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing on the exhibition video that's on the end screen of every video. I've got some cleanup to do, but otherwise, I'm pretty pleased with what just happened. I'm not sure how it occurred, but I'll have to watch the video back myself to make sure. And I had a lot of fun with you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I do sell my artwork. My email address is under the link tree. I also give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you're looking on the link tree, you'll find my Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. If you're looking under the video, you'll find my Teespring clothing, all over print leggings and t-shirts. If you're looking on the link tree, you'll find my Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group will have tomorrow's video most often, and it's a good place for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors, you'll find the albums full of some of the edited artworks from the YouTube videos. If you have questions, please ask. If you need my paint pouring recipe, I'll open Show More. It's under the video down in the middle of the description. My community board is another place to find tomorrow's video. I have 2 books, volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and they are both on the Amazon link, along with a lot of awesome tools and excellent paint. I love you guys. Please, please don't forget the thumbs up. I told you about my paint pouring recipe. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, so if I leave my paint heavy, I don't have cracking. I love you guys. I should have zoomed in already because the cells in this are the bomb. I'm bombing everything lately. Yes. Maybe I should spin it around. Can I do that? What will you see if I do that? You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. I post every day at 3:15, and on weekends, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights at 10 p.m. most of the time. I'll talk to you soon, hopefully. Bye for now. Priscilla out. And thank you for all the wonderful comments, and thank you for all the donations. I almost forgot. Shh. I love you.